Can you prototype your design? Do you know what is an interactive component? Do you know what is the interaction design? In previous video, in video number 2, we turned our low fidelity wireframe into high fidelity and designed the presentation shot. In this video, in video number 3, we are going to prototype our design and add some animation to our design. So if you are interested, please stay with me to design it together. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel, we talk about user experience of digital products, such as mobile apps and websites. So if you are a fan of this kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button. First of all, I drag all of these icons and then I select them all and create component set. I want to create an interactive component, so I drag one of these items here and edit it. I define 3 states, one of them for default state, another one hover state, and the third one for selected state. I go to prototype tab and drag state 1 to hover state and hover state to selected state. Now I want to replace this new component to previous items. I should change icons and text of these items. Because I make a component set of icons, I can easily change between these icons. I place new components into frame and delete the previous item. By hover, it changes to hover state, and by click, it changes to selected state. I link the selected state into default state. Now I want to create another interactive component for these link sections. I select both of them and create a component set. It has 2 states, selected and default. If I click on default state, it goes to selected state, and if I click on selected state, it changes to default state. Hey, good job! Our job is done in this part of video. Thanks for watching this video till here and being with me. I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that, please like my video. Have fun and goodbye.